You're getting wet, huh? Lily, get the green bucket. Go get that, Lily, go get that green bucket in the grass. We don't want to lose it. Lily, bring it over here. Can you put it underneath the chair?
Wayne outside.
Come on, silly. No, Tommy, I want to leave it open. I'm filming Lily. Can you get the blue bucket for the table too, Lily? Put the green bucket down. Drop it. Ugh, you're goofy. There you go, yeah. You can put it in the table. Thank you. Just put it down. Oh, thank you. We'll put it right there on the chair. Oh, it fell. That's okay. It can stay right there.
Wayne outside.
Yeah, Lily's getting wet outside in the rain. She loves it.
Wet. Oh, my tummy's wet. Tummy's wet.
You getting wet from the rain?
Wayne.
You don't like getting cold and wet, huh, Tommy? Lily loves it. I want to leave it open for now, honey. It's okay. I won't let the kitty cat run away. Tommy, I want to leave it open. Look what I'm doing with my camera phone. See? I'm watching Lily. I need the door open so it doesn't make it look funny. Lily! It's a bean! Are you all nice and moist now?
He does have me a wing too. Yeah.
Can you go back out there? Oh yeah, you are. Look, Tommy, not yet. No.
Wing.
You are so silly, Lily. Did rain get in your mouth? Haha. And it's on your nose. You don't like the rain, huh, Tommy? Not right now, Tommy. I want to leave it open. Tommy, stop. Get your hand out of here. She's going to go down the slide and it's wet. Silly Lily. Do it. Go down the slide, Lily. No? Oh, well, maybe. No, don't want to. Rain and windy. Oh my goodness, it's so much fun. Oh, you're wet. Ooh, Mama's getting wet now. The wind's coming this way. You want to come inside?